He said that it's my company, and I'm free to treat my employees however I want, but he will not be turned into the bad guy because of a decision I am making on my own. He said that many of the employees know that the company is on a better pace than last year, so it's not unreasonable of them to expect the same bonus, or even a better one than before. I told him I have to look out for myself as well, and I've had a tough year. He said it was unfair of me to punish my employees for my personal problems. He also said he wouldn't be surprised if this caused a permanent rift between me and the employees, and that some will probably look elsewhere for work as a result. I want to believe that my employees will be understanding of the situation and will continue to be loyal based on our past working history and not the short term. In the past, I would use my wife as a barometer for this kind of decision, but when I reached out to her to get her opinion, she called me a greedy jerk who can't see beyond his own problems. I will admit there is a fair amount of acrimony between the two of us right now, so I feel that probably played into what she said, and I don't think she sees this the same way she would have before the divorce. I need to make a final decision on this quickly, and I'm leaning towards not giving out bonuses like my gut tells me to. But would that make me a jerk? Well, what do you think? Is OP a jerk or not? Please let us know. Karen and company want to pet my service dog. This happened yesterday, and while, as usual, many people will call me a jerk, I still don't feel bad about it. I'm on my way home from work and decide that I need to do my grocery shopping then because I'm exhausted and know I won't get out again once I get home. Important to note at this point, for those that don't know, I have a service dog in training, Sadie, that goes everywhere with me. So I was in the membership version of America's most popular store and browsing to see what groceries I'd need for the month when I hear the familiar high-pitched squeak of an entitled kid. Now this isn't an uncommon occurrence, as anyone who's seen my dog will tell you that she's absolutely adorable. Half Great Pyrenees, half Catahoula Leopard dog, 7 months old and about 65 pounds. She knows better than to interact with people at this point, but she does as she's trained, as she sees the kid running up and puts herself between myself and the kid. Not really in a guard stance, but sideways between myself and the kid, and touching the back of my leg so I know where the person is approaching from. In this case, I already knew, but I still turned around and gave her a treat. She's still learning after all. I told her to heel. She does as she's told, and the kid slows and comes to a stop now that I'm between him and Sadie. We've got entitled mom, and we've got the kid. Kid. Your dog is so cute. I want to pet it. Me. I'm sorry, but see the vest with the patches she's wearing? It says service dog, do not touch. That means she's working right now and can't be distracted. I don't really like kids much beyond my niece and nephew, so I'm not good at telling ages and didn't know if he could read. I figured he knew to obey signs though, so I thought if I told him what it said, he'd understand. Nope. Entitled kid. What's a service dog? She doesn't look busy. Just one pet? He's not being rude, just sounds more curious than anything, so I don't really mind explaining, and I notice a woman push her cart up behind him, so I assume she's his mom, and I feel a bit more relaxed about the situation. Me. A service dog is a dog that helps people do things. There are all types of jobs dogs can do, but they can't be distracted because their owners need them to pay attention to only them in case something happens. Kid. But she's just sitting there right now. If she's not gonna get back to work, you should let me pet her. Now at this point, I should have noticed the if she's not gonna get back to work red flag and guessed he was being raised by a Karen. But honestly, I've really only dealt with a few Karens in my life. I didn't think much of it, just that he was a kid being annoying. Me to his mom. Ma'am, could you please explain it to him? I don't have kids, so I'm not too good at this. I was admittedly probably sounding annoyed in all honesty, but I was still trying to be polite, and I don't think I was being unreasonable here. But she seemed to take offense. Entitled mom. Why? He just wants to pet her. It's not a big deal. And he's been acting really good today, and he deserves a treat. I don't see why you won't let him pet her. Me, definitely annoyed now. Ma'am, she's a working dog. She couldn't be distracted. I don't mean to be rude, but you're also not wearing masks, and she could get sick. I'd really prefer no one mess with her. We're in Texas, and I'm pretty sure everyone has heard how many people are sick right now, but the majority of people still refuse to wear masks, and of all the shops I've been to, only one store still has a no mask, no entry rule. Shout out to Skechers. Thanks for being proactive.